Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Tech World.
Today, I will be discussing the 10 most trending technologies that everyone is talking about and will acquire a huge market in 2018. So you can make this as a New Year's resolution to master any one of these in the next year. So let's look at what we have first in our list. So let's begin with RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Generally, any desk job in any industry involves tasks that are repetitive in nature and can be automated. RPA or Robotic Process Automation allows you to automate such routine and repetitive tasks. Hence, RPA can boost the overall productivity of companies by saving their time and money. And it has a lot of cool features, guys. For example, no coding skills is required. RPA comes with simple drag and drop tool. You can automate any repetitive task without changing the underlying technologies. RPA technology can be implemented using various tools. The top three tools include UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere. That you can see it in the slides as well. Let's see what we have next. Now we are going to talk about intelligent apps, popularly known as iApps. iApps are pieces of software written for mobile devices based on artificial intelligence and machine learning technology for making the everyday tasks easier. This involves tasks like organizing and prioritizing emails, scheduling meetings, logging interactions and content, etc. etc. Some examples would be chatbots and virtual assistants that you can see it in the slides as well. So let's move forward and see which technology we are going to discuss next. Now is the time to talk about Internet of Things, IoT. As the name suggests, IoT is about connecting different objects in your environment via intelligent sensors, enabling them to send and receive data. This includes everything from your mobile phones, refrigerators, washing machine to almost everything that you can think of. With IoT, we can have smart cities with optimized traffic system, efficient waste management, and energy use. So start thinking of some new excuse for coming late to office other than traffic, guys. IoT is basically a giant network of connected devices, all of which gather and share data about how they are used and the environments in which they are operated. And by doing so, each of your device will be learning from the experience of other devices, as humans do. IoT is trying to expand the interdependence in human, that is, interact, contribute, and collaborate to things. This is all about IoT. Let's see what we have next in our list. Now we are going to talk about DevOps. Now, before I explain this, let me tell you guys, DevOps is not a technology, it is a methodology that ensures that both the development and operations go hand in hand. DevOps lifecycle is picturized as infinite loop, representing integration of developers and operations team by automating infrastructure, workflows, and continuously measuring application performance. It is basically the process of continual improvement. So why not start with yourself? You can even see the companies that are using DevOps right now. We have Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and most of the companies out there in the market are using DevOps. Why are they using DevOps? Because of its advantages. It provides you shorter software development life cycles. The quality of software that is produced is way better than the previous waterfall model. It also gives you improved work environment. There are many DevOps tools available in the market. The most popular tools are Git, Jenkins, Puppet, Chef, Docker, ELK, and there are many other tools as well. So let's move forward, guys. This was all about DevOps. Now we are going to talk about Angular and React. So these are the most popular JavaScript-based frameworks for creating modern web applications. Using React and Angular, you can create highly modular web applications. So when I say modular, you don't need to go through a lot of changes in your code base for adding a new feature. Angular and React also allows you to create native mobile applications with the same JavaScript, CSS, and HTML knowledge. And the best part about Angular and React, it is open source with highly active community support. Let's see what we have next, guys. Now we are going to talk about cloud computing, and I believe a lot of you already know about it because it is a buzzword in the IT industry right now. Cloud computing is one of the most trending technology, guys. This is because it allows companies to save a lot of money and simplifies the life of a user. Day by day, more and more companies are shifting their infrastructure on the cloud. What is the reason for that? First of all, it is fast and scalable. It can be accessed from anywhere. There's no upfront cost, and it provides better security. Now, there are a lot of cloud providers out there in the market. For example, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Salesforce, IBM, Google. There's even DigitalOcean. So there are a lot of competition out there in the market, but Amazon Web Services is a clear winner based on the market share. Let's see what we are going to discuss next. Now is the time about big data. Every one of you would have come across the term big data, right? Big data has affected the IT landscape beyond any imagination. Big data refers to problems that are associated with processing and storing different types of data. Most of the companies today rely on big data analytics to gain huge insight about their customer, product research, marketing initiatives, and many more. For your surprise, big data led Germany to win the World Cup as well. Now, it can be used in various domains. It can be used in retail, insurance, healthcare, banking, and finance. And I've listed only 4 of those domains, guys. There are many, many more domains in which big data finds its importance. So now we are going to talk about virtual reality and augmented reality. Let's discuss virtual reality first. Virtual reality is when you use artificial environment that is created with software and presented to the user in such a way that the user suspends belief and accepts it as a real environment. Have you watched the movie Matrix? Well, that is what VR does. VR is a computer simulated environment that you can walk around and interact with. You can see a lot of examples in the slides as well. Let's see what is augmented reality. Now, augmented reality combines virtual reality with the real world in the form of live video imagery. Both of these, AR and VR, have numerous real-life applications. For example, medical students use AR technology to practice surgery in a controlled environment. AR is extensively used in mobile gaming and apps which work on real-life video feed. Or games like Pokemon Go, guys. Do you know that Pokemon Go delivered $600 million in mobile AR revenue in its first 3 months alone? Imagine the future prospect. And if you have something in your mind, let us know in the comment section. I know the list is becoming quite interesting, guys, right? Let's see what we have next. So now we are going to discuss about blockchain. So people who already have invested in Bitcoins know what exactly blockchain is. Blockchain is basically the technology that runs Bitcoins. And Bitcoin is the world's first digital cryptocurrency. And that is the future of the economy, guys, cryptocurrency. So even if blockchain doesn't exist after a couple of years, you'll have some cryptocurrency that is based on blockchain. So let's see what is the last technology that we have in our list. Artificial intelligence. But before I begin, guys, let me tell you, artificial intelligence is not something new. All right, it was first coined in the year 1952 by John McCarthy. But due to lack of data and computing power, it wasn't feasible at that time. But now, with enormous amount of data and huge computing power, AI is possible. And especially with the advent of technologies like deep learning and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is basically creating intelligent software, making a machine that is smart, a machine that has the power to think, analyze, and make decisions based on the huge amount of data that we have. Hence, the phrase goes, data is the new oil of 21st century. And surely the race among big IT giants to dominate the field of AI has begun. Let us know your opinion on different AI initiatives and who do you think.
If you are the newer in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.